Up Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be revisiting the Mousse Def by the Doux. If you remember previously, I used this with the Uncle Funky's daughter. I'll leave that video here. And I got an okay wash and go, but I said that I wanted to try this alone. And I actually said that I wanted to try it for a twist out, but I think I'm gonna try it, see how it defines my hair in the back here. For wash and go first, and if it looks like it's not going to define, then I'll go ahead and I guess turn it into a twist out. But I do want to use it by itself, and it does say not to use any oil with it. It actually says to apply to clean hair from root to ends, shingle, rake, comb through sections according to your desired style. I don't have a leave-in in my hair. I've cleansed my hair, so this is just water on my hair. And it also says that it can be used on wet or dry hair. It says wet the hair, you're going to get a medium hold. If you do it on dry hair, you'll get a firmer hold. So right now my hair is considered wet, but by the time I get around to the other sections, it's probably going to be more damp than wet. And so it's, even though this is dripping, you know, I can't squeeze any water out of my hair. So to me, my hair is not dripping wet, but it is wet. So, and I prefer to style on wet hair versus dry. I want to try to, you know, lock in as much hydration and moisture in my hair as I can. So we're just going to see. So let me start back here, and I'm going to see how this, am I supposed to shake this? I'm going to see how it works back there for wash and go. And then it is good for wash and goes. I don't see where it says to shake it, but we're gonna see. Anyway, I'm gonna try it back here for a wash and go first, and it does say apply liberally, apply a generous amount. So I'm gonna put this back here and just see how it defines my hair. See if I can get some definition for a wash and go first. If it doesn't look like it's gonna work, I'll turn it into a twist out. Now, the Doux Mousse Def is it does feel like it has some moisture to it. It seems like you can feel some moisture, some oils in it to me. So we're gonna see. Okay, so this is easier to define. So it looked like it did that part okay. It's what I'm worried about is this part up here. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. We're just gonna see, okay? We're gonna try it out, okay? I think I'm taking like 4 pumps. I just want to make sure all my strands are coated. And for those of you who like to define your hair with a dimming brush, you know, go ahead and do that. You might get more definition with some type of defining tool like that. But I'm just going to use my hands, and wherever my hair wants to separate, that's where I'm going to separate. with nothing on my hair. My hair is going to dry out quickly. So I'm trying to hurry. So guys, you see what I'm doing. I'm pretty much going to continue this. And you all can watch. So the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam is an all-in-one styler for all hair types. It detangles, conditions, defines, and shines in one step. It is pronounced the Doux. Do want to let you know that it is pronounced the Doux, not Doux, not Doux or anything. It is pronounced Doux. It says non-fiction solutions developed by a licensed professional for legit results on every hair type. What does it do? It does wash and goes, twist outs, TWAs, rod sets, braids, pixies, and finger waves. It says you can have a wash day in half the time. This one-step styler conditions, detangles, and defines every curl type and dries quickly with flexible hold, brilliant shine, and no crunch or flaking. Apply a generous amount to clean hair from root to ends. Shingle, rake, or comb through in sections according to your desired style. Air dry, hood dry, or diffuse completely before separating curls. It does say it is cosmetologist approved. Tips for best results: do not apply oil to the hair before applying this product. Mousse Def can be used to style wet or dry hair. Apply to wet hair for medium hold and dry hair for a firm hold. There are silk amino acids in it as well as aloe. The first 5 ingredients are water, polycortinium 55, cocamidopropyl, hydroxysultane, aloe juice, and PVP. So those are the claims of the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam. Okay guys, so my hair has all the mousse on it, and this is what it's looking like. Now what I will say is that this mousse expands, and what I mean by that is, I don't know if you noticed or not, but there were a couple times where I didn't even have to add more mousse to my hands. I had enough where it had just started foaming up so much that I just went on and put it on the next section without getting new mousse. So that's what I mean by that. It does seem like it's soaking in quite well. I did rake it first to make sure any tangles were out. So you saw me raking and then you saw me smoothing. And I do feel like that my hair separated better when I was smoothing, and then I would just twirl it where it automatically wanted to separate. I separate that piece and then kind of just twirl it to kind of just help with protecting my ends and then just giving me a little bit more curl. So that's kind of what I did. And yeah, we're gonna sit under the dryer and we're gonna see how it turns out. My hands are a tad bit sticky, but not too bad. So I'm gonna wash those too, but it's not too bad. I don't feel like I have a lot of this left. I did maybe 3 or 4 pumps per section. And since I can't see through this, hard to see, but I think I may be at least halfway done, maybe. I don't know. So y'all tell me if I use too much or not, but so far so good. So let me go sit under the dryer and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks straight from under the dryer. So it is defined. There is no crunch. So I do not have a crunch. Right now it looks healthy, and of course guys, if you want to leave your hair like this and let it get bigger as the days go on, you can, but y'all know me, I am going to stretch my hair to see how it stretches, see if any flakes come. Right now I don't see any, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna stretch it, see how it stretches out, and I'll come back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back and this is my hair stretched. Now I stretched it a little bit. I didn't stretch the bangs because I didn't want them to hang down in my eyes, so I just left this part as is, but I did stretch the rest of it, and this is what my hair is looking like. So I don't see any flaking in my hair. I have on my black shirt. You guys know I usually try to put on black so you can see if there is any flaking, and I don't have anything on my shirt. Okay, with that being said, I will say that my hair doesn't look shiny. since I stretched it, it does a look not dull right now. It looks like healthy hair, but tomorrow I think that it may get a little dullness to it. It doesn't look real shiny, you know. It doesn't have a sheen to it. I will say it looks like it's going to have a little bit of a dullness to it, okay? But right now, today, it looks good. Again, soft hold. There is no crunch whatsoever. I do have movement, but I like the hair. It did dry a little bit quicker than, you know, when you use a gel or whatever. So I think I dried in about 30 minutes versus an hour. So that's good. And yeah, I can live with this. If I was going to do my hair and wanted it done quickly, then I think that the mousse would be a good option. I did use it by itself. Right now my hair feels moisturized, but you know, I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all know if that moisture lasts. Because I am using a mousse and mousse only, I will try to come back on day 3. What's up, guys? Popping in to show you my 3rd day hair using the Doux Mousse Def only for a wash and go. So this is it. I am going to wash it today. However, I don't feel like I really have to. I don't have any flaking. I still have a lot of coils up in here. Of course, I do have some frizz up top. So my coiliest areas are my looser areas, which is under here in the back and up here in the front. And then this is my coarser area here, and that's where most of the frizz is. But you know me, I could care less about that. So I do have fluff. It's still soft, no crunch. And yeah, if I were to really, you know, stretch it out and shape it, put on some makeup and earrings, I actually could get by with this definitely another day or 2. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you 3rd day hair. So I do like the Doux Mousse Def for a one and done, for a wash and go, especially if you don't need it to last a long time. If you just want big hair, you need to do your hair really quickly to get where you need to go and want big hair, I think this would work. So yeah, pleasantly surprised, glad I tried it out. And I think that I said I was going to try this for a twist out as well. I will do that. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but I will get that done. But I did want to come on and at least show you guys 3rd day hair. So now back to the video. So guys, I like it. So far, my initial reaction is I like it for a wash and go. It's soft. I can't expect a lot out of it because it is a soft hold. So you got to take that into consideration. If you're looking for, you know, a 7-day, I don't think this is going to last 7 days. So if you're looking for a 7-day wash and go, I would say this, you know, maybe choose something else other than this. I was going to say maybe top it with a gel or whatever, but this says to be used alone, so I don't know if you'll get flaking. When I used it with Uncle Funky's daughter, I got a little bit of a dusting. I don't know if it was this or the Uncle Funky's daughter. I'm kind of leaning toward the Uncle Funky's daughter, and that they just didn't work well together. So I'm not going to tell you to pair it with something. I don't know about that. I'll just say if you're looking for 7 days, use something else. I don't know if this will do it because it's such a soft hold, but who knows, maybe it will. But if you're looking for just something really quick to get you out the door, this is a good one. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this wash and go. Have you tried the Mousse Def for mousse only wash and go? Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you'll try it after seeing this. And guys, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.